Man, please, listen, Floyd the great fighter is no doubt about it. We can't take that away. But listen, he don't want to fight Manny. He doesn't want to fight these guys, man. Come on, I can't. Listen, when I was fighting, it had nothing to do with money. The only thing you had to say, you could be number 10 ranked. You could be some. If you said you were better than me, you got to fight.
Thank you,
Mike.
Finally,
we've been screaming. This is what we've been screaming for a long time. It's like, it doesn't matter ranking or this and that. If someone else says that man's better than you, don't you have to say, okay, we're gonna settle this?
You're a political guy. You're a businessman. This is what you do. This is how you earn your living. You didn't earn your living for writing out contracts or making up some great schemes, or you didn't make no inventions or anything. You made your money by fighting.
Right.
So this man thinks he's the best fighter in the world. You should fight him.
Absolutely. I mean,
I used to understand the fans don't see that. Fans are totally different than when we were fighting in the 80s, And, you could tell the fighter or whoever, they just could tell them anything, and they believe it. They're so gullible because they're so entranced into the fighter. But the reality is he doesn't want to fight Pacquiao. Pacquiao got knocked out, all right? We won and lost around 2 or 3 times since Floyd did. So why don't Floyd fight him now? He can fight, and he still won't fight.
Trust me, you're preaching the choir on that.
And
one,
listen, I like Floyd, but listen, this is just real fight we talking right now.
Right? No,
This is real deal.
Man-to-man stuff. And let me ask you, because
that's what it is, man-to-man stuff. And now you got to use some stuff. Hey, I'm Bob Allen. The hell with Bob. He's a promoter. We're doing business. This is a business. Let's do this business, Bob, and let's fight.
Mike,
You don't have enough money. He's worrying about how Bob, you don't have enough money. Business is not about personal shit. Business is about